In this video, let's talk about what kind of the Toyota Highlander wheel spaces are best. Let's go. The wheel spaces are available in two types, one with half-century and one without half-century. Installing the half-century wheel spaces can provide high stability. Bonus wheel spaces have a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. The wheel spacers can eliminate the possibility of shaking caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Professional wheel spacers manufacturers and auto parts reviewers prefer half-century wheel spacers over lug-century wheel spacers. Hope this video can help you. If you have any question about the wheel spaces, leave a comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.